Hi, I'm going to show you how to build the simulation of a vacuum cleaner with Squeak Etoys. You will see it is quite easy and almost fun. So let's show where we want to arrive. We want to build this stuff. You see the yellow element is our vacuum cleaner, and this is the vacuum cleaner in action. It moves through the room randomly, and eventually it will cover all the room. The important thing to observe is that uh, all the parts which are marked in red are obstacles, so the vacuum cleaner will recognize them and avoid them. Well, eventually it will cover all the room. We're not going to see all of it, so let's stop now. Good. Let's build the same thing from scratch. So, project, new morphic project. Maximize the screen. Good. So the first thing to do is to build the cleaner itself. We can do okay. Good. Let's fill the circle. Let's make an indicator for the direction of our cleaner. That would be this bar. Good. That's it. Keep. Now let's get this object. Let's shrink it. Good enough. Okay, the viewer flap. Let's create a script. Okay, you see sketch forward by 5. You click here, it executes. It goes forward by 5. Good. Till now, let's add some lines. Shift click. Let's change the color of the line to red. Good. Move the line. Now we want to tell to our vacuum cleaner that when it goes over a red line, it must go backward step and then turn 180 degrees. So let's do it. We want a test, so let's add the test here. Our test is that the sketch is over a certain color. The vacuum cleaner is over a certain color. We specify the color well, and here we take the color. Good. When the vacuum cleaner is over the color, we said we move backward. Backward. So backward 5 is like saying forward -5. And then we turn how much? We turn direction completely. We go on the other side. Let's test it. Now we are going tuck, you see? Good. Let's add a line. Click here, double the line. Whoop. Good. Let's see what happened now. I click here and keep clicked. Cool. You see, we start to do something. So let's make a closed area that would be our room for the robot to move. Now, instead of turning by 180 degrees, we turn by, let's say, 60 degrees. Good. We would like to mark where the robot is going. So, first of all, if we press picking, you see the robot advances without. Okay, normal, and again ticking. Good. So normal, and let's add a trail. Pen down, true. Let's see it. Good. Now we can see where the robot is going. Let's try to make it move it automatically. Ticking. Maybe a bit faster. Okay. Here you see something interesting now that the robot is kind of entered in a loop. Let's change the angle to 73. And maybe let's increase the pen size. Let's put 20. And we can stay here to observe if the pen covers all our room or not. I leave this experimentation to you, and we will move on to do another modification. So let's stop this, and let's change the angle to a random angle. Random, and we put it over. Okay, and the random angle can be random 360. Let's try it now. You can see the robot in this moment, from this moment on, can change direction radically, can go wherever. Let's complicate things a little bit more. Let's, for example, clear pen trails, okay. Let's put an object into our room. Let's go into the object, and and let's grab, for example, an ellipse. And for this ellipse, we need to do something important. So first of all, let's change its color. That is something different. And also, most importantly, we want to change its border color. So view the preferences, border. You see ellipse border color is here. We pick the same color red here in this case. Then we may make copies of this. No, let's make the border larger. Border with, let's say, 3. Oh, thick border. Then now we can copy it and, for example, make it larger. What happens now? Let's try. You see? Now the robot avoids the object because their border is red. And we could do also other little more complicated things as change the room shape. Good. This thing is a bit magnetic, so I leave it to you to watch it and see what happens. Try to change angles and shapes. Two experiments that you could do are: how can you visualize regions where a robot is passed more and more times? Or another thing to think about: I choose the robot to be a circle. Why that? Can you see in this script where is the point where I'm using the fact that the robot is circular, so that is a ceiling? And also, this may be the reason why the robot in reality is a cylinder as well. Okay, I like to think about it. To the next time. Goodbye.